Today we are going to start next chapter number 2, addition, and the topic of today is adding 3-digit numbers. Before moving on to the main topic, let's know what is addition. Putting together or adding two or more numbers to find the sum is called addition. In addition sums, the numbers to be added are called addends. After adding the numbers, the result obtained is called the total or sum. As you can see in the example, there are two numbers are given, 39 and 5, and these numbers are to be added. So 39 and 5 are the addends. Addends means the numbers to be added, and after adding both of these numbers we get a number that is 44, and 44 is the sum. So what is sum? The result obtained after adding the numbers is called the total or sum. There are some addition facts. When we add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. As you can see in the example, 1 plus 0 equals to 1, 29 plus 0 equals to 29, 103 plus 0 equals to 103. By adding 1 to a number, we get the next number that is called successor. As you know, successor means adding 1 to the previous number. So in the example you can see in the number 6, 1 is added, we get a new number 7. In the number 8, 1 is added, and after adding 1 we get a number 9. In the number 4 we add 1 and we get a number 5. And next is 2 or 3 numbers can be added in any order, the sum remains the same. It means if we have 2 numbers or 3 numbers, we can add them in any order, the sum will remain the same. As you can see in the example, 7 plus 3 equals to 10. In the other side, 3 plus 7 is also equals to 10. Then if we take 3 numbers, 5, 3 and 2, if we add 5 plus 3 we get 8, and if we add 2 in 8 we get 10. In the same way, if we add 3 plus 2 we get 5, and if we add 5 and 5 we get 10. So when we add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. By adding 1 to a number, we get the next number that is called successor. And the last is 2 or 3 numbers can be added in any order, the sum remains the same. Next is adding 3-digit numbers. So there are 2 examples are given. First example, we have 2 numbers, 321 and 462. Let us add these 2 numbers. First of all, we will write these 3-digit numbers in the place value table in the hundreds, tens and ones place. As you can see, 1 and 2 are written at the ones place, 2 and 6 are written at tens place, and 3 and 4 are written at the hundreds place. So first of all, we will add the ones. As you can see on the right hand side, steps are given. Step 1 is first add the ones. After adding 1 and 2 we get 3, and we will write 3 under the ones place. Next add tens. After adding 2 and 6 we get 8. We will write 8 at the tens place, and finally we will add hundreds. So at the 100 place we have 3 and 4. So after adding 3 and 4 we are getting number 7. So likewise, after following these steps we can add any of the 3-digit numbers. Next example is add 210, 183 and 141. In this example, we have 3 numbers. Place these 3 numbers again in the place value table. At the ones place, 0, 3 and 1. At the tens place, 1, 8 and 4. And at the hundreds place, 2, 1 and 1. So first of all, we will add the ones place. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. And if we add 0 in 4, we will get 4 only. Next is 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. So 3 will be come here and 1 will be carry over to the hundreds place. So 1 will be here, 2 plus 1, 3, 4 and 5. The sum is 534. So likewise, you can take any 3-digit numbers and place them in the place value tables, and after placing, start adding the numbers from the ones side, then move towards to the tens place and then to the hundreds place. I hope you understood. Thank you.